Hey guys, welcome to Learn with Darz. I'm Darz, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to apply colors from anywhere into a design on Canva. This is a Canva hack or trick, whatever you would love to call it, but it's a very great feature that just makes things easy. And yeah, that's about it. So if you'd love to learn how to do this, keep watching through this video. First off, I will be opening the design. So I'm going to be doing it in two ways. First, I will go to the internet to get a color palette and apply it to the image and show you how to do that if you would love to use a color palette, and then an actual image that's a photo. So whatever graphic image you can actually extract the colors from it and apply to design. So enough talk, let's just get right into the video. So this is a design. I already selected this design, and because I love the way it looks, I'll add another image so we have a variety of designs to apply this feature. So first off, in my uploads I already have color palettes which I got from the internet. You just need to go to the internet and search out hex code. If you're following through this tutorial and you want to do exactly what I'm doing, hex code finder, and you're going to see it. Just tap on image and you're going to see a variety of color palettes, and you select one. So this was the one I used for the sake of this tutorial. Now let's go back to the image. I just sniped this and sniped tips, the two variations, and yeah, I already have it uploaded to my Canva. Now I'll tap on this and tap on these three dots here. You see the option, it's the last option, apply colors to page, and ta-da, you have it applied to the page. You see? Now, if you would love to switch things up and see how it's gonna look different in different ways, you can just change. Look at this shuffle. You want to shuffle the colors and how it look on the design. You can actually just tap on it. See, it looks different. Go again, tap. It's giving you different theme. So that's for this design. Well, I love this one best. That's for this design. Oh, this good. This looks good. So I'll just delete that. Now let's go to this second design and use this purple palette. So you tap on the three dots, go here and tap on apply colors to page. Oh, looks good. You see how it turned out? Want to shuffle and see how it look again. It's changing. Shuffle the color palettes. See, it's giving different vibes, different theme, right? So the color codes are just swapping, basically shuffling and changing different aspects of the design. So in a nutshell, that's how to apply colors from any image, graphic image whatsoever. Now let's say for let's use an actual image. I would go and add a design palette to which a design palette that has an image in it. So let's scroll and look for one that has image in it. Which one looks like something we could use? Okay, should we use this? That's a video. No, I had one. Okay, so let's go. So yes, perfect. Let's use this. Okay, let's use this. Now you can see that the lady in the photo has yellow. Okay, it's loading. Sorry about that. It's kind of loading up. Yes, perfect. She has a yellow blazer on, mustard yellow, and let's see how we could apply her image, the image color, the overall color on the image to the design. So I think that was already done before now, but okay, yes, it changed things up. It actually did change. You see cream here, and we got it to again. Yeah, we'll just swap to keep swapping. You see, that's good. So that's about it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, bye for now.